Manipur Hill District's Karot Pingwi Khavat Yangsang Mikhavai Tribal Lawyers Pina Ngakawhaira. Ukhrul District Consumer Forums Lekhavai Pohaira. Manipur Class 11 Examinations Likhangaje Khwirahaura Grading System Lehaura. Porikha Process Horshim Mangna mamayàmara. Lake Hangator, Tangkhul Express Pvt Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Bamidale, Paobing Mesaina and Angrumsa. Manipur Kapung District Ladekle, Tribal Naupingala, Tribal Lawyer Ping Kasak, Kahap Ngapangda Kaleli, Yangsang Mikhavai, Manipur Governor Ngakawhaira. Maram Hiwivang Governor Ajay Kumar Palali, All Tribal Lawyers Associations Manipur ATLAM na Memorandum Misanghaira. Hill District Court Building Complexes, Katar Kasa, Infrastructure Khavat, Guards Staff Khavat, Jail La Prison Facilities Matada Makale, Manipur Hills District Court Pingwe Functioning Le Khavat, Kasa Kale, Maram Ngataida, Memorandum Chilikapisanga. Jane Ngasoda, Manipur Scheduled Tribes Community Wena, Additional Advocate General of Manipur Kapangasang Dagar Saya, Kala Local Mili Court Staff Sada, Kapangasang Dagar Saya Gachila Memorandum Chilihangan. Ukhrul District Court Complex with Foundation Stone 2015 Shunhai Laga Achirashungda Masemranga. Kalamaram Hili High Court of Manipur we Chief Justice Katumna Maronda Assurance Mida Apamchi Inspect Sahaira Masem Pokrang Kachihanga. District Shiniwi District Consumers Forum Imphal West, Imphal East, Sanabati, Kangpokpi, Ukhrul, Kamjong, Jiribam, Saigorohing Rumlaga Joint Forum Sada Headquarters, Sangai Pro, Imphal Laidale. High Court of Manipur na Chizakami Lailala. Ukhrul District Headquarters Vivanga Data District Consumer Forums Masemitua. District Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum Hi District Headquarters Kachida Kahai Dagar Sayam. Hi District Chewe Rijimnau Kachivu with Constitutional Mashunada Memorandum Chilihang Sanga. Jaining a soda Ukhrul District Jail Prison Facility Malaymana Kachilhang Sanga. Churachandpur District and Session Court Complex, Semda Kale Takta Kopsang, Dagar Sayam, Churachandpur with temporary prison, Lika Kanimang later inmates Hangmadida Aka, Ngazilak, hygienic masalale. There in a Kasakaja. There in a Kasakaza, Matada Mamimana Kachilhanga. Jan Del Lila, JM Civil Judge, Senior Division Court Kala Judge, Quarter Zakshilak Ladele. John Deal with temporary prison la SP office later ka Khanimang Layachi. Sanabadi District JMFC Mau Court Complex 2024 Ngapeli Therkat ka kahai chi achira shungda function masala Layachi. District and Session Court ka semje thak khame Dagar Saya Gachila Hanghaira. Sanabadi Jail Complex Sem Khavaila Pohaira. The Menglong Shong District and Session Courts Kachang Khanili Aka Khanishi Pamda Infal Wena functioned Sadlayachi. Chief Judicial Magistrate Tamenglong na Kachang Khali Zimiksho Kotumang Pamachi. Tamenglong Judicial Magistrate First Class Malaymanachi. Tamenglong with District Jail Haimi Kavai Pohaira. All Tribal Lawyers Associations Manipur Nagabo, High Court of Manipur Practice Kasa, State with ST Community with Advocate Akali, Additional Advocate General of Manipur, Kapang Sangda Manipur Hill District with case, Yangasangli Ana, Ngasinra Nugaji Hanga. Manipur Hill District Karot Ot, Mathame Kavai Kala Service Mathame, Mirror Kavai, Local Mipingli Court Staff Sangasa Kavai, ATLAM na Boya. Khavat kahap leidak le sai kor hili mik zangwida phaikar khoimi khawai governor li ngakawhaira. Academic session hiwina Council of Higher Secondary Education's Manipur kosem na class 11 examination likhangaje khwirahaura grading system la zatna phokhaura. Maram hinga san khawa ajahon CC Higher Secondary School the reformations of class 11 examination kaji workshop khwikaya. Ang ranangi chili worship shakani magada chuko with principals kala minginin ping pazangam. Kosem controller of examination o joina kahang session to in a class 11 exam grading system lehaura ka marks la hangmi babamra overall students performance li ngadamlaga assigned grades to subject ngada data we ngadaira. Zadra ka hai atam ni class 11 exam result worship bingwe atam ngadate da mishok kasaji session hiwina tuida worship psychorowe atam makhli mishokra da kosem controller of examination na hangaira. Kalari the practical exam ji theory exam puitili saka saji 2026 win habokta practical exam ji rira chihaira. Session tiwina class 11 exam we mark sheet la kosem na mishokra chihaira. Kala class 11 porikha tamni kosem we meeting representatives flying squads na worship ni inspect pasara. Kala worship we should mapping na answer sheets yang highway tili kosem meeting jina answer sheet ji yang lushitra chihaira. Kareliva class 11 exam result declarations kala answer sheets kayang oting root psychorohi worship kalatana sakasana 2025 to 26 session tiwina kosem na process psychologically yang sangra shirukwira kala hi class 11 examinations we quality mathame khawai kasana da ojoina hanga katam kashili Ningshen lak ina zarada porekhali mathame thuida saga hypingli machut saman committee case na top performers and achievers award 2025 aji kachang rungmi kidale award ji kum kajida tiges na makhok mida achugom wehina kaphangang sar tiges we 5th top performers and achievers award 2025 ji kachang hiwi tarik thrada thruk thang town hall Ukhrul rungmira angra nang ye ngathor Pung trada kali haupokra tiges na angranang ye pong mi kahaya tishuda ajuko mo top performers is Sawyer Binala kazib chili mantuira award kazib chili Ukhrul we TCIS Ashishtash na khayawo sada bazangra Cookie Militant group pingina high kle suspensions of operations establish agreements Tangkhulai Manipur Meitei Tribe Union MMTU na center sarkarli ngakawhaira Kuki national organizations Keno kala United People's Front UPF we zingli kale armed groups pingjina ground rules mashur mana kachi hangda peace accord chi shijin ngui haira kachi MMTU na penhaira Union China kahang signatory groups pingjina peace accord chi chingri khawai wibang maningla atumwi insurgent activity kala drug linked violence wibang ngasahawa Union China kahang karam 2023 rod kamrat atamwi na Cookie militants na Pongshar Kadres Katar Kwisang Kutlai Kazip Sang Kalamete Naubingwe coordinate attack saya kaji MMTU na pen establish designated camps Taraka Mete Kung Bamni later civilians population the threat nga saya kaji la Union China hanga Kala Budujeri with had Article 239A as in the separate governing models border clearly Ninka Kharik Pongshokta Jigataji Manipur along the separate political entity Kaishok Khawai Kasana state with territorial integrity li Sadza Khawai Kasana the Union China hanga Passenger safety Mathame Khawai railways na coaches psychorally CCTV cameras sangra chihaira Laidekle 74,000 coaches kala 15,000 locos psychorally CCTV cameras panmira chihaira coach kachida CCTV cameras mati locomotives li camera truk panra kala speed 100 km per hour kanala low light conditions lila high quality CCTV footage lenga sakra chihaira VIP li railway ministry na pau khamyathi shuda passengers coaches li CCTV cameras Panyang the experimental installations kasali kapate kuida coaches psychorally CCTV cameras panragaji railway na tuitak tahaira. Paikar hi passenger safety wibang kapang sara passengers being with privacy wibang CCTV cameras chi command movement areas kamong pamni sang miraji. Union Ministers for Railway Ashwini Vaishnav kala Union Ministers of State for Railways Rafnit Singh Biduna CCTV cameras installations with process review sahaira dahanga. Maram hiwi kazib achahon tarik trada khani tangpam da railway board with senior officials being wazangachi. Elections Commissions EC Modi Shorka we pangli mi manau ngasahaura kaji law ministers sagasa Kabil Sibal na hanghaira. Bull body jina Biharli electoral rolls with special intensive revisions kasaji constitutional masamanada Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal na hangaira. Biharli special intensive revisions kasaji majoritarian Shorkar Pangshap Singh Khawai Paikar Kakwinada Sibal na makamya Pongshokhaira. BDI li kharjan kasali sibal na kahang zadra ka high election commissioners ping yenga kha khareli khanawana leida khle shorkar hili ngasun me mamantale itumna thaipai ECI na jiz khamia thishurda SIR wewang documents thrada kha mayaya chili Aadhaar voter ID ration card thi mazangthwa voter sangran pingli manotha khawai SIR chili documents ka thumje Aadhaar voter ID ration card chizang sakhawai Supreme Court nala suggest sakahaina isi we arahili opposition parties analyst kala activist pingna mamayàakha ngai tarakha leika haina special intensive revision kasawe atam kala mong yanglaga rural voter pingli disenfranchised sakhawai kaja atumli vote manam nga sakhawai kasana kachi ning ka krikle kaja rural pamli opposition li kakatom kamaling Lezarda chili ningrin salaga rural voters trakhali khushok khawai kasana kachi he ning khamong ning ka krikle Biharli electoral rolls special intensive revision kasali makhamia phongshok the Indian richum nauna manning managachi citizenship we maramli tutak takhawai election commissions will jurisdictions malay manada former law minister nahanga Ukhrul district likle JNV Ramvali class 6 Tangkhulai online application ngahotale PM Shri School Jawahal Navodaya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 to session 2026 to 27 the class 6 Tangkhulai selection test saura class 6 selection test chi ajugum khayon December tarik thradaka tum thang rongmira porekha chuwang application July marangachang hiwi tarik magada jikona khana wazimik shong sara selection test chuwang candidates chi 2014 kum May kharam tarik akhaina hapokta 2016 July marang tarik thumrada akhay na tangdawi alongli kapra na ngasophalungra academic session 2024 to 25 li class 5 tamkahai pass sakahai ping selection test hili mazang paimara kala candidates chi Ukhrul district hiwena class 5 full academic session tambhalungra selection test chi candidates akana khani should apply masa paimara repeat ka sathaya ka selection test chi mathang sakmara PM Shri School Jawahal Navodaya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 T co-educational residential school na chili free education port kala lodging miam NCC Scout and guides games and sports higatha hai miam class 6 Tangkhulai selection test with registrations webang website cbseitms.rcil.government.in nvsli va baira Health tax Zingsho Zimikli 70054951121 kalam W Daneshyamtli 811894232 li ngahan paira Latluida ajawi khamataiya Paobing Manipur Hill District's Karot Pingwi Khabat Yangsang Mikhawai Tribal Lawyers Pingna ngakawhaira Ukhrul District Consumer Forums Lekhavai Pohaira Manipur Class 11 Examinations Likhangaje Khwirahaura Grading System Lehaura Porekha Process Horshim Mangna mamayàmara Ajawi Pao Hilinga Janghaira Pao another claim to Sai Korole Ringyaophi Kalakhamai Zimikshong Sasera